Hello. I thought I would do a video log on my journey to hopefully get 1,000 subscribers and start my YouTube channel, the #1 Ladies Club. Now, I have to say, this isn't really the natural home for me. I am by nature a shy person. I'm an introvert. I like staying at home. I don't like going on holiday. So I've always thought that putting yourself onto YouTube is a perilous task. And I've always been fearful of haters writing me nasty messages. So I've avoided it. But something has made me want to get information out there, and that is I wanted to get some information on low dose naltrexone for restless legs and lots of other things, which is why I started this YouTube channel, and that gave me the impetus to make the other videos. However, when you start a YouTube channel at our age, sort of over 60, losing concentration, can't find the words, stumble a bit. I fell over a waitress last week. I didn't mean that sort of stumbling. But when you started at our age, it is not the same as all these young YouTubers that make it look so damn simple. I go into the editing suite and I put a blah 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 here and I put some music there and I lower it and I do this and I do that and you think, crying out loud, I just thought you made the video and stuck it up. But then again, I looked back at my videos and one of them, the sound was so bad, my husband said you can't even hear it, so I had to make a second one. Anyway, I have decided to vlog, and I know that's a word because I've heard it before, my progress on my YouTube channel and what I have found out and who from, because that's actually a thing. You do an awful lot of research, you watch an awful lot of videos trying to find out what to do, and I haven't seen anybody particularly out there that is old like me, 67, nearly 68. So I thought I would do a video on the pertinent points and the takeaways from what I've learned, and my stats. I think that's called, what are they called? Whatever it's called. And I would learn how to upload a picture. I have learned in this last week how to do a thumbnail. Not brilliant, but a thumbnail nonetheless. Apparently they are so important, and just having this face on the front cover is not going to do it. Which is probably why I've still only got 28 subscribers, which is a little bit of a far distance from 1,000, but it's early days, and it's only been how many days? I started on the 30th of May. What I can say is, it doesn't matter how many times a day you check your channel, those numbers aren't going to go up. In fact, this morning I had 29. And then I looked just now and there's only 28. So somebody's obviously got fed up and thought, no, she's just not worth it. So I thought that I would log my journey, share with you what I've learned, share with you where I've learned it from, and then you can go to those videos and listen to them or watch them yourselves. I have a Mac which I use for my, which I edit my video. I move them around my videos on. And in that Mac, it has got iMovie, and that seems to me like a very complicated beast. But I have found a really brilliant YouTuber who has made a very long video on iMovie for beginners. So I will put a link in for that, because I just think when you find somebody so generous to spend all of their time doing that for you, and if I can learn it, then anybody can learn it. It is difficult. It's difficult for me because I'm not technically minded. And I don't retain it very often. It just sort of goes in here and then it goes whoosh and it's gone. So I'm doing that. So I will put a link up for his channel and his video. I will write out what I've learned last night at 2 a.m. when I was listening to videos because I couldn't sleep. I will write the information I found out about there, and any other snippets and tidbits that I've come across that I think, oh, that would be good, I'll try that, and I'll share it with you, because that way you don't have to spend half the night listening to videos because you can't sleep, and it might be helpful. And week by week you might hopefully see my subscribers go up or not, and then even if you don't see them go up, you'll just think, well, she didn't get any subscribers, or not many at all, and that's okay. I might be here in a year's time still saying that I've only got 28 video subscribers, and then you'll just feel sorry for me and you'll think I'm a loser, and that's okay too, because we're all here to do hopefully some good, and it's a big wide world out there, and we can share what knowledge that we've got so far. So that's what I'm going to do. This is week 1, and I will put all the information that I found out about for my YouTube channel in the more information bit, and hopefully the links that I copy and paste or share or whatever will be okay. So I hope you are looking forward to these videos. I will put them up regularly, well, certainly once a week, or maybe even twice if something happens. I am diarising every time I get a new subscriber. It sounds terribly sad, and if somebody subscribes, I am so thrilled. But what I have noticed is, on my first video, I was so nervous. I sat at my computer and I didn't turn it on for ages and ages. I just sat there. But now I can feel that I'm not quite so nervous. But more importantly, I am thinking about my channel all day long, which you can either say is terribly sad and I've got nothing going on in my life, but actually I have got an interesting life. But this has gripped me. It's made me excited. And I was thinking this morning, if you were on your own and you were lonely, and frankly it happens to all of us. I was on my own at one point. My daughter had left home to go to university, and I wondered why I felt so awful, and it was because I had empty nest syndrome. And despite having a really well-paid job, I decided in the evening I would work in a pub for £7 an hour, which was ridiculous, but it got me out just to be able to talk to people. And I did that until I didn't feel lonely anymore, and then I stopped it because frankly at £7 an hour it just didn't seem worth it. But I am excited about this. I am thinking about it. I am obsessed with it, actually. I'm obsessed. And maybe that's a trait in my character, that I become incredibly enthusiastic and then I burn out. I don't know. But I am really excited about it. And I know 28 subscribers isn't a lot, but, it's only been 10 days and, that's 2.8 subscribers every day, if you like. So I will take screenshots of my analytics, I think they call them, analytics today, and I will upload them in my when I have made this video and edited it. This is really important. And I've already made my thumbnail. I've just got to make my end thing, the opposite to the thumbnail, the one that goes at the end. I've got to work out how to do that. It seems like the thing to do is, when you start your new channel, you make a point of learning 1 or 2 things that you didn't ever know how to do a week, and that is how you get your knowledge. So with that, I hope I see you at the next one. We could have our own tribe. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. See you on the other side. Bye.